Morning again. Well, we're hauling hay from one of our guys that we buy hay from. He's been keeping it in the shed until we had room to put the rest of it. And we got some room now, so we're hauling it, but got this older hay here, and the 8770 is sitting right here, and I kind of like to move it just in case, just so we don't have to worry about it. So anyways, we're gonna cold start it. It's kind of cold, so, and then it's been sitting here for, well, since Christmas Day, I think. So let's see what she does. For a minute there, it almost looked like it wasn't going to go. Well, we'll let her warm up and then we'll move her out of the way. And she'll go back in that spot when we're done. Now we need to start the 190 so we can get that hay unloaded. So, we got the big blue tractor and the orange L9000. It's been a really mild winter compared to last winter. Hardly any snow. So here's a 190. Let's see. I can yeah. Oil's good. And it is plugged in, so it should start. And this one has to be plugged in or it won't start. And there we go. Okay. That's it for this video.